Welcome back, welcome back. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat, and thank you to all of y'all who came and watched our last 5 things you need in your diet. And today, we are doing, these are the best vegetables, the 5 best vegetables for weight loss. And I found out about them, and I had to come tell you. It's so simple, so simple. The 5 best vegetables for weight loss? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. But before I do, my name is Lisa, and welcome to Carter's Eat. We're a cooking and eating channel. My husband likes to cook, I like to eat. So we cook and eat here at Carter's Eat. We're on the road to 20K. So we love food. We're all about food, but we're all about wellness and gut health. So, thumbs it up, comment, commit, and stick. Share us out, and subscribe today. Turn the notification bell from gray to black so you'll be notified next time we upload or go live. The 5 best vegetables for weight loss? What do you think it is? Let me tell you, plenty of vegetables is the best way to maintain a healthy diet, maintain a healthy weight, okay? So that is that simple. Just eat a lot of vegetables, drink a lot of water, get a protein in, very little carb. Got it? One of them is asparagus. Blake loves asparagus. Another one is cauliflower. White, big, robust, a healthy, real vegetable. Not, I think broccoli's made. Like spinach. Spinach is the other vegetable that you must incorporate into your diet. These are the 5 best vegetables for weight loss. Carrots. So simple. Carrots.
Carrots are great for weight management, reduce the risk of cancer, help with blood pressure, and I know all of you saw our juicing carrot series.
What if you made a smoothie with all 5 of these things in it? Profound. The last one, most vegetables are beneficial in minerals and vitamins. And remember, vegetables are rich in minerals and vitamins and beneficial plant compounds that aid in reducing inflammation and are the best in helping on your weight loss journey. We gave you the 5. What were the 5? Does anybody remember? You forgot already? Simple, you guys, simple. We got it. Okay, we're doing this together. We got it. We know what to do if we want to aid in the best vegetables for weight loss. According to dietitians, asparagus, spinach, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and asparagus, Brussels sprouts, spinach, carrots, and cauliflower. All right, you guys, that's this week's tip. Come back next week. We'll drop something else on you. We're on a roll. So I know I'll see you back here next week. Don't forget, thumbs us up. Keep up with our content. We have a variety on our playlist, a variety of playlists that we want you to go check out. Come on through, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. We are on the way to all of us doing better, being better, even if we want to enjoy all the foods that we enjoy, but we still can be aware of what to eat. And today was best vegetables, 5 best vegetables for weight loss. Y'all stay tuned. I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. Don't forget, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, comment, commit, and stay.